Hey guys, it's Jerrica here from Halliwell Jones BMW. Today we have the pleasure of bringing you the brand new, just launched M135. This stunning all-wheel drive is a 4-cylinder 300 brake horsepower engine, making that 0 to 62 miles per hour in just 4.9 seconds. And on the side of your vehicle, you have the classic M Sport red brake calipers enclosed in your 19-inch alloy wheels. Accompanied by your M Sport spoiler, you also have your M Sport logo and detailing on the front and back of the car. On the interior, you have your M Sport stitching and M Sport logos throughout. And that's the end of this video. We really hope you enjoyed it. Of course, any questions, please do get in contact with us over on our website. Ideally, pay us a visit at your local Halliwell Jones retailers. Bye.